Hi everyone, today we'll learn about the past tense verb. To get started, it's important to know what is a verb. A verb is an action word. It's not only a person is doing or place. In other words, an auxiliary or things or noun, and that's an action. Let's have a look at the common verb, their action word. Walk. Walk is an action, it's a verb. Read, it's also an action, it's something you do, it's a verb. Think is another example, something you do. Think is an action word, it's a verb. Make is another verb, it's something you do. You can serve theme and to communicate in the action it's happened. Today we'll learn how to past and present verb. The most common way to show the action is to add ed at the end of the word. Let's look the example. Look. So by adding ed, now you are indicating that action is placing at the past. If I use the look in the sentence without ed, look at that right now. When I add ed, look, I look it. That suggests the action is the past. It's already complete. The ed suffix is the most common way indicating the action. It's it. In some cases, ed suffix t sounds, which is the case here. Look, looked. In other cases, ed sound emphatic with the sound. Here's the example. Start is an action, something you do. To make it past tense, you add ed suffix, started. Notice it doesn't sound. In fact, it's more ed sound. Started. Here's another example. Climb. The verb is climb. In order to make it past tense, add ed suffix d. Yes. Climbed. Looked. Started. Climbed. English is a strict language. The added of these three examples, it's pronounced different. The more you read, the more you write, the more you be more familiar with any sounds. Adding ed suffix is the common way to make a verb past tense. However, yes, English is the challenging language. In fact, don't follow the rules and consider the regular to the here is the present tense is yes. was. For example, he is reading. He was reading. So is present and was is past tense. Some example are. It changed into were to make it past tense. An example, there are some pencils in the table. In the past, there were some pencils in the table. Are and were show the difference between the past, present, and past tense. Let's look the few some common examples. Say, see, go, eat. These all the verbs. Their action, thing to do. When we yeah. So in the past then we cannot say that one said, seed, or go. So we cannot say that one. So we can make it into the past tense, like we will change it. Say becomes said. See become so. Go become win. Eat become ate. So if you need an English speaker, you need to try to identify to use the present, and you must know also the past tense. Not all the words that you will ed. Say, said, see, saw, go, went, eat, ate. So I'm going to erase the answer. Okay. Said, saw, went, ate. So let's proceed to the other examples. Okay. Know, give, think, and write. Okay. So there's are all verbs. Think, to do. Yeah, we cannot put that one that one after the word it's ed, so we use the past tense. Know is new. I knew. Yeah. Give is gave. I gave him some money. I gave him some money. Example. That is a thought. Think is thought. I think about the answer. I thought about the answer. Past tense of the verb write is wrote. I write my spelling right. I wrote my spelling right. Give, gave, think, thought, write, wrote. So I will erase the answer and test yourself at you remember the past tense. New, give, gave, think, thought, and write, wrote. So let's So here's are some examples. Sentence. I go to the store to buy food. So this sentence is happening right now. Where the action verb I go. Go is an action word. And buy. Yes, something you do. So we're going to change the sentence into happened in the past. So go is went. So we write went. So write went to the store buy both. If you try to change the buy in the past tense, we cannot sound right. So go to the store to buy food. So if you try to write and you didn't know, no, you can't. So I went to the store to buy food. So in that case, the verb buy, infinitive form, proceeding to the word to, do not make any changes in the situation. I went to the store to buy food. I went to the store to buy food. So let's see the more example. The sentence more example. I buy vegetables and meat. So where is the verb? Where is the action verb? So buy.